If you want to go ahead and measure out the angles inside of SketchUp, then what you can do is you can go ahead and use the protractor tool. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the tools right here. Then over here, you will be able to go ahead and see the tools right here. So let's just go around onto protractor, as you can see right here. Then you simply have the protractor that you can use to measure out the angles. So to measure it out, you can simply click, and then you can see that you can go ahead and click on the starting point and then click right here, and you can simply go ahead and measure out as you want. Let's say I want exactly 45 degrees, then I can type in 45, press enter. Then what happens is that you get a 45-degree angle right there. Similarly, I can go around over here, and then let's say, for example, go around, type in 45 degrees right here. Then you simply have this, as you can see, just like this. So now by utilizing this particular guideline, you can go around and utilize the pencil tool in order to go ahead and make a cut right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here, click on it, and then make a cut right here. This is what you have now. So now you can go around and utilize the polar push tool right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead right here. You can see that this is what I have. So now I can go ahead and use the polar push tool right here to go ahead and add in the details accordingly right here. So I can go ahead and do that. Then I can go ahead and select this out, let's say, for example, and use the push and pull tool to go ahead and change around the faces right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and measure out the angles, and then even go ahead and use the line tool to draw on the basis of it, and then go ahead and then change out the models on the basis of that inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.